In this video, I'm going to show you how to build in Once Human. So, in case you want to build in Once Human, all you have to do is press the B key on your keyboard, and then as you can see, once you have your territory terminal set down, as I do over here, you can build on it as much as you'd like. Now, the easiest way to do it is by right-clicking your mouse button, so your right mouse button, and you will open up your build menu. Now in here, you can look for whatever you would like to place down, so I'm going to show you a few things. For example, let's say I want to place down this wood wall, okay? Or I can't do it because I don't have enough wood right now. But let's say you want to place down something. What you want to do is simply press it, and as you can see, it will kind of show up on your screen, and when it's red, it means you can't place it down. And if you try to click your left mouse button, it will say cannot be placed here. However, you can place it on your territory. As you can see, I've built here already, and it turns green. And then if I press my left key, as you can see, it's now been placed. There we go. The thing has now been placed. So, that's pretty much it. That's how you build in Once Human, and I hope this video helped you out. If it did, make sure to subscribe to the channel. And of course, what I forgot to say is that you want to press your B key to deactivate your build mode and get back to normal game. So yes, as I said, have a good one, and I hope this video helped you out.